Hello dear students, welcome to Tejamaya YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the electromagnet, and that too by making a electromagnet experimentally. So this is my first attempt to make such video, and for more updates and more videos, please be subscribed to my channel. Without wasting time, let us jump into the experiment. Okay dear students, so here I am going to show you the apparatus that I am going to use to make a electromagnet. So first I have this 9-volt cell here. Okay, you might have seen such cells in the science laboratories and all. Then I am going to make use of a copper wire which is wound in the form of a solenoid. I think especially in second PUC you will derive an expression for magnetic field produced by this solenoid. How much is that? B is equal to mu naught Ni, and you learn this in moving charges and magnetism chapter. Okay, then I'm going to make use of this nail, metallic nail. So this works as the core material for this solenoid. So I'm going to insert this inside the solenoid like this. So what happens here is, so when the current is allowed to flow through this wire, okay, so then that produced current produces magnetic field. Okay, so what is the use of this core material or the metallic nail here is, so when I insert this in the solenoid, this metallic nail increases the magnetic field strength of this solenoid. Okay, so to increase the magnetic field strength of this solenoid, so I'm going to use this nail. That's it. Then I'm going to check the produced magnetic field is there or not, means whether it is working as an electromagnet or not. So by attracting these small metal wires. Okay. So dear students, let me check whether the magnetic field is produced by this electromagnet or not. Okay, so I am going to attract this small piece of metals. So one has got attracted. So next one, yes, it's working. It's working. Yes. Dear students, I have experimentally showed you the electromagnet. Now it is the time to understand how the electromagnet works. So when you maintain a potential difference between two terminals of a wire, the charges, free charges present in that wire, they move through the material in one particular direction and produces current, as well as they produce magnetic field. Okay, so in order to increase the strength of the magnetic field in a given area, we make a solenoid by using the wire. I have showed you. So this is the solenoid. Yes or no? Now, in order to increase the magnetic field, we have inserted one core material. Okay, so that is a metallic core material. Dear students, I don't know whether you have observed it or not. In this experiment, I was struggling to attract the small pieces of iron itself. Then how does the big electromagnets work to attract or to lift the heavy cars and all? So here is the formula. B is equal to mu naught Na. So if we increase the number of turns of the solenoid, then magnetic field strength increases, as well as the current in the wire. If we increase, then also the magnetic field strength increases. So in order to increase the current, so we can increase the potential, because from Ohm's law we have V is equal to IR. So V is directly proportional to I. So if we increase potential, current increases, as well as if we increase the thickness of the wire, then what happens? The current or the charge flowing through the wire increases, because we have the formula I is equal to NEA VD, or I is equal to V now. So if we increase the area, current also increases, so that magnetic field produced also increases. And one more thing, the type of core material that you have used here. In this case, I have considered this metallic, nail as a core material here. And by changing the core material of the solenoid, you can change or increase or decrease the magnetic field strength. So this is all about this video, dear students. For more such videos, please be subscribed.